안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so since you have already have a practice with your Ate Vanessa, so let's have a warm up. Okay, warm up with regards of the parts of your body. So Ellie, asa mo ka naglantaw, Ellie? Okay, so let's start. Where is your head? Okay. How about your knees? Knees. Ano na knees? Okay, tuhod. How about your shoulder? Knees. Shoulder. Toes. Dili maklaro. Okay, so ato isibog ang lamisa. Isibog ang lamisa para matarong og exercise ang bata. Slowly. Okay, slowly. Okay, so dito move. Okay, sibog ha. Ready. Where is your knees? Oy, knees man, tuhod. Tuhod. Where is your toes? Okay, toes. How about your head? Shoulder. Shoulder. Head. Agay. Paswasi. Knees. Toes. Shoulder. Head. Head. Shoulder. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Knees. Toes. Head. Head. Shoulder. Okay, shake your shoulder. Okay, mag-exercise. Very good exercise. Okay. So, para dili ka po yun sa pag-right. How about your head? Head. Head. Toes. Oh. Na naman tuhod. Toes. Ang tiil. Okay. Knees. Knees. Okay, shake ang knees. Okay. Para ma-exercise, no? Very good. How about ang head? Okay, very good. So, i-familiarize ang mga parts sa body. So, let's have kanang sing mo ana ha. Eba mo ana nga kanta? Okay, so ready, go.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, very good. Mag-practice at home ha. Self-study also at home ha. So, there is a study room. Is tudluan ang bata. Sa at home sad is mag-study. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Very good. Fighting!
Fighting.
Okay, so dismiss na ang klase. Human na inyong time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oli, largo, dili maglaag. Para dili madagma, di magkiat. Oli na ha. Bye-bye.
Academic excellence. Our primary mission is to provide high quality education to underprivileged students in Mactan. We aim to foster their academic growth by offering English, conversation, and math lessons that are engaging, effective, and tailored to their needs. We aim to foster their academic growth by offering English, conversation, We aim to foster their academic. We aim
academic growth.
academic growth.
We aim to foster academic growth. Their. Balik ka. Tuwag ka. We
aim to foster their academic growth by offering English conversation and math lessons that are engaging, effective, and tailored to their needs.
Ano, wala ko sa buong kita yung sungay, bila. Hindi, sa dalo nga rin yun. We aim to foster their
Academic growth offering
By
offering English.
Number 1, not saying good morning.
Bad.
Bad, from the word not.
Bad.
Number 2, stealing.
Bad.
Next, wasting food.
Bad.
Next, asking permission.
Good.
5,
Good.
returning things you have borrowed from others. Good.
6 na to, sir.
Wala pa, 6 pa tayo ron. 6, spreading love.
Good.
Next, be a good friend.
Good.
7. 8, wait for your turn.
Good.
9, refusing to follow instructions.
Bad.
Refusing bad. Dili mo. 10, hitting others.
Bad.
Nakuha na, Mark? Number 10 na ta. Ha? Okay, next. 11. Uling.
Bad.
Number 10, bad. 11 kay bad. 12 kay bad. Isa, bad. Panagin siya, wala pa sila. Okay, 12, not doing the projects.
Bad.
13, throwing things.
Bad.
14,
Good.
good. And the last number? Good. I count the number of your checks. Nakuha na ta na?
Cuy, butang diri. Narinig natin.
Oh, i-flash na. Oh, i-flash. So, deliver ka na. Ako, balik ang answer ha. Number 1, bad. Number 2, bad. Number 3, bad. 4, good. 5, good. 6, good. 7, good. 8, good. 9, bad. 10, bad. 11, bad. 12, bad. 13, bad. 14, good. And 15, good. Sa'yo lang, pero sa akin ko lang. Hindi mo, 35 na naman. Si Pina na. 15 plus 10 equals 25. The score is Tita Berlina.
Annyeong haseyo. Good morning. Examples of good manners. Sharing. A sharing person is willing to share. If you are sharing, you are glad to give things away to others. Excuse me, can I borrow your color? Yes. Thank you. That is example of good manners. Helping. To give assistance or support to provide with something that necessary in achieve an end. Are you okay? Yes. Thank you. That is example of good manners. Bad manners. Gossiping someone who enjoy talking about people their private lives. Sarah, you know an angel is so ugly?
Yes, it's true.
That is example of bad manners. Cheating involves
Unauthorized.
unauthorized use for information materials devices devices practice in completing academic activity. Number 1. Spell the word English.
Jean, you're cheating.
That is example of bad manners. That's all. Thank you. 안녕하세요. Good morning. Examples of good manners. Friendly, kind, and pleasant. Hi. Hello.
Can you be my best friend?
Yes. That's example of friendly. Respectful. Feeling or showing respect. Good afternoon, sister. Good afternoon. That's the example of good manners. Bad manners.
Hitting, bring one's hand or a tool or weapon into contact with someone or something quickly and forcefully.
Ouch! That's the example of
Hitting, ignoring someone to intentionally not listen or give attention to.
tantan.
Tantan, tantan.
That's the example of ignoring someone. Thank you. 안녕하세요. Good morning. Good manners. Examples. Cleaning, the act of removing dirt or something undesirable, helping someone while cleaning. For example, cleaning in your house, cleaning in your room, cleaning in your school. Next, example. Honest, is that person always tell the truth and do not try to deceive people or break the law. For example, telling the truth. Giselle, tell me the truth. I'm sorry. Do you review your notes? I'm sorry, teacher, but no. That's the example of good manners. Bad manners. Bullying is when people repeatedly and intentionally use words or action against someone. You're so ugly. Next, greedy. Is that person want to have more of something such as food, things, or money than is necessary or fair? For example, can I borrow your ball pen? No. That's the example of bad manners. That's all. Thank you.